Hello everyone, today I came with the question 3 of assignment. Explain the purpose of training set, test and validation sets in machine learning. What is cross validation and how does it differ from a simple train validation test split? Answer 1. Training set. Purpose. Used to train the model. The model learns weight parameters from this data. The algorithm interactively reduces error on this set. Analogy, like studying from a textbook. This is where the learning happens. Validation set. Purpose. Used to tune hyperparameters such as learning rate, numbers of layers, regulation strength. KNN helps evaluate which model configure perform best. Prevent overfitting to the training set. Analogy, like doing practice test, you just adjust your strategy based on result. 3. Test set. Purpose. Used only for final evaluation. After all, training and tuning measures generalization how well the model performs on unseen data. Must never influence training or model selection. Analogy, like taking the final exam, gives the true performance source. How these set works together. Data set used for why. Training, learn patterns, build the model. Validation, true model and hyperparameters, prevent overfitting. Test, final unbiased performance, estimate real world accuracy. What is cross validation? Cross validation CV is a technique for evaluating models by repeatedly training and testing them on different splits of the data. The most common type is K-fold cross validation. K4 fold cross validation steps. Split data into K equal folds for each iteration. Use K one folds for training. Use one fold for validation. Rotate so every fold is used once as validation. Arrange the performance across the K run. Advantages of cross validation. Use all data for training and validation. Produces more reliable estimates with small data sets. Reduce sensitivity to how data was split. Helps avoid overfitting. How cross validation differs from a sample train validation splits. Features: train validation, test splits, cross validation. Data use. Training uses only one subset. Training uses most of the data in every fold. Reliability. Perform varies depending on a split, more stable and reliable. Best for large data sets, small or medium data sets. Validation method, single validation sets, multiple rotating validation sets. Computation, fast, more computationally expensive. Final test set, usually yes, usually still keep a test set for a final evaluation.